Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by Umchimbana.
Greetings, guys. Congratulations to Bafana for today's game. To Hugo Bruce, we are saying apology accepted. For what he said and everything that happened, apology accepted. And next time, please, I'm a breadwinner. I'm a breadwinner. Even recently, you treat the breadwinner very well. We are breadwinners in this country. Young John, we are the majority in South Africa. We are breadwinners. Whatever you say, we are breadwinners, and we must be treated with respect. No. We are breadwinners. So we must be treated as such. And today we prove the point because Uchayine made a good save before the end of the game, and Umbule scored a goal. Those are Pirates players. At heart, and we are here. We are humble, but it's cool. We don't talk too much, and we are humble. No matter we are humble, and we are breadwinners. We need respect. So, I'm faithful for your channel. We are inspired. Keep on doing the good work.
Thank you for the appreciation.